Newton's first law states an object in motion will stay in motion. An object at rest will stay at rest unless a force acts upon it. This is another example of Newton's first law. The way my first example demonstrates Newton's first law is the act of pushing. When you kick a soccer ball, your foot pushes the ball, also the net stops the ball. A soccer ball does not weigh a lot, so you can kick it very far. My second example of Newton's first law is the act of hitting or pushing. When you hit a ping pong ball, it goes to the other side. Since the ball is small and light, you don't have to hit it hard at all. Also, the other person changes its speed and velocity. The ball does not have a lot of inertia, so it is light. The second law states that the more mass an object has, the harder it is to accelerate. This is another example of Newton's second law with a soccer ball and an 8-pound medicine ball. My first example of Newton's second law is acceleration of an object depends on its weight. I hit a ping pong ball and a soccer ball to see how far they could go. I hit the ping pong ball and it went over the net. Then I hit a soccer ball and it went nowhere close to the net. The soccer ball weight is too much for the paddle to hit. The ping pong ball accelerated, but the soccer ball did not. My second example of Newton's second law is the acceleration of an object. I kicked a soccer ball and it was easy, but then I kicked an 8-pound ball and it did not go as far. I could not accelerate at all because it was too heavy for my leg. So my soccer ball accelerated, but my 8-pound ball did not. Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is another example of Newton's third law. My first example of Newton's third law is that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. I hit a ball with a croquet mallet and it went far. The action was me hitting the ball and the reaction is that it went far. If I was to hit it soft, the reaction would be not far. If I was to hit it hard, the ball will go far, but it could break the mallet. My other example states for every action there is a reaction. I hit a soccer ball and it went far. I had to hit it a little hard for it to cover that distance. So the action was me hitting it, the reaction was it going far. But if I were to hit it soft, it will not go far at all.